Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Naila as MC, and today we would like to book review, and for the book reviewer is Zaki, and the moderator is for
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mariza, and I will be moderating our Zaki's book review session. And who will deliver Spirited Away by Hayao Miyazaki. And please.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Okay. My name is Zaki Hadi Ramadan, and today I would like to present the novel that I read with Spirited Aways. It's a fiction picture novel created by Hayao Miyazaki, and this book is published in 2001. So, in this presentation, I would like to present, I will explain the reason why I choose this book, and I will give the summary from the story, and give the weakness and the strength from the story, and also I will give the personal opinion from stuff. So, we begin from the reason why I choose this book. I choose this book because The Spirited Aways is one of the most iconic fantasy stories. We know this time is Ghibli, and this book belongs to fantasy genre because it presents a magical creature and spirit world and supernatural setting. So from the synopsis that from the beginning of the story that a young girl named Chihiro and her parents want to move to another city, but they lost, so they enter the abandoned tunnel. So accidentally they enter the spirit world. So her parents eat some food in that place, at that spirit world place, that forbidden to human eat that food. So the parents break the rules, so they eat the food, and the punishment is her parents turn into a pig. After how her parents turned into a pig, the Chihiro is terrified and alone. So suddenly Chihiro meets a boy who names Haku, who tell her that the place is not for a human; it's a spirit world. So her must to find a way out from the spirit world. To survive in the spirit world, she must to save her parents. So she must to work at the place. This place is kind of bath house from the spirit. So the spirit would want to come to the place to take a bath. The place is ruled by a bad wizard named Yubaba. And the climax from this story is when Chihiro discovered that Haku is actually the river spirit that saved her when she was a child. So in the end of the story, Chihiro is successfully breaks the spell on her parents. So she passed Yubaba final test. Although Chihiro does not remember the journey of the spirit, because when she returned to the human world, the memories of the reviews is lost. Okay. Next to the theme that I got from this novel that I read, the story is very rich and so colorful, and the character, especially Chihiro and Haku, is well developed. Their character, from the weakness is from the background from the spirit is not telling well, and this time is too fast to tell the background from the spirit. And my personal opinion about this book, I really enjoy read this, and maybe you have some watch this movie, but there's a novel about this. And so,
Okay, thank you Zaki for your clear explanation. And now we shall move to a question session.
oh my god, I don't know.
Yeah, considering I'm more familiar with the film rather than the novel, could you explain, is there any significant differences, or is it overall the same?
Oh, after I read novel and I watch again the movie, there's no difference from the
Oh, so it
movie
doesn't,
between the novel. Yeah.
so it doesn't have any
Same.
significant differences.
Oh, yeah, bisa.
What is the main moral lesson that Chihiro learns throughout her journey in spirituality?
Okay, the main moral is the Chihiro is the first time that she entered the spirit world, that she is afraid, fear. After she faced many change, that she become a brave girl. Okay.
So, which character did you find most interesting and why?
Maybe I think Haku. Yes, he is a spirit from the river that saved Chihiro when Chihiro is still a child, and Haku is still remember Chihiro.
Thank you for all the questions. Before we close, I return our session to our MC.
Okay, thank you so much, Mas Aksan. Maybe this is one of Zaki review about Zaki.
Sini. Tiara, siapa ini moderatornya? Oh, sudah tuh. Enggak.